In 1945, 2 atomic bombs changed the world forever. Cities were reduced to ashes, thousands of lives lost. But something strange happened in the aftermath. While humans and most animals perished, some creatures survived, and not just survived, they thrived. Why do some animals survive nuclear radiation? Radiation doesn't burn or slash, it invades silently. It breaks your DNA cell by cell. For humans, this can mean cancer, mutations, even death, but not for everyone. Meet the cockroach, the ultimate survivor. Cockroaches can endure up to 10 times more radiation than humans. How? Their secret slow cell division. The fewer the cells dividing, the fewer the chances of mutation. And cockroach DNA? Built tough. Human fatal dose, 400 to 1,000 rads. Cockroach survives 6,000 plus rads. Then there's the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, smaller than a grain of sand, but tougher than steel. These microscopic creatures survive boiling, freezing, the vacuum of space, and yes, radiation. Tardigrades can shut down their bodies in a state called cryptobiosis, reducing metabolism to nearly zero. No metabolism means no radiation damage. They also produce a special protein that wraps around their DNA like armor. In Chernobyl's radioactive exclusion zone, you'd expect a ghost town, but nature had other plans. Wolves, rats and birds have returned, and they're doing fine. In some cases, their populations are exploding. Scientists believe evolution is playing a role, natural selection favoring genes that resist DNA damage. Some animals have supercharged repair mechanisms. Their cells fix damaged DNA faster than ours. Others have antioxidants that neutralize radiation's effects before damage is done. Let's take a look at some remarkable radiation survivors. First on the list we have cockroaches, then the incredibly resilient tardigrades. Next up, rats, followed by wolves. Some reptiles also make the list, and finally certain beetles. The bottom line? Nature always adapts. Where humans see catastrophe, evolution sees opportunity. Could we one day tweak our DNA to resist radiation? The answer, maybe. CRISPR and genetic engineering hold promise, but we're still decades away from becoming real-life mutants. Until then, the cockroach remains king. Radiation reminds us that survival isn't always about strength or size. It's about adaptation, evolution, and a bit of luck. In the end, life always finds a way.